I look up to the sky, try to find my will. It's resting on a cloud, it's on a standstill. And my dirty face needs a wash or two. I'm drowning in the flu with the thoughts of it too. I see sunlight on the hill. Walking on my own is a necessity. Beidh David, get out spite. My foster family, they had no morals. They haven't seen my mother in years. She thinks about me every day I love. My father never had a career. A baby born a widow, they felt sorrow. This is how they took me. We got away at 5 and my folks feeling sorry.